Yes, welcome children. Now in this session, volcano experiment is going to conduct by 4th and 5th standard children. Now Kushal is here. Yes, Kushal. Now pour this water into this. Yes, enough. Yes. Now here Rohan Tej is here. Now he has taken Clinic Plus shampoo. Yes, pour into this. This is a base. Clinic Plus shampoo. It is a base. He has taken one more shampoo. He is pouring in the water. You can observe. Yes. That's next. Now he has taken a Eno. This is the acid. Yes, pour it. Now I am going to mix up this shampoo in this water. Yes. Now I mixed this shampoo in the water. Now here Rohan Tej once again is going to mix up Eno. This is an acid. Now just observe what happens. Once again, now I am going to mix up this. After some time, now you can observe clearly what is happening. You can see. Yes, see this reaction, what is happening here, you can observe the carbon dioxide is released here. Carbon dioxide is released when acid, calling it as a Eno, and base he has taken shampoo. When both the components mixed up, here carbon dioxide is releasing. You can observe this is looking like a volcano. This is called volcano experiment. Yes. Now really I would like to congratulate them. See here the carbon dioxide is released. Now you can observe clearly this is a volcano.